We want an effective sales funnel because we want to not only help people entering into our world or into our funnel make that decision in the best way possible because we're guiding them along the process, but we want one where we can measure and look at, hey, they came into the funnel, but right here they fell out, and if we just could get them past this hump, then our business would be doing a lot better. Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome back to the #1 channel for professional service providers looking to build their brand, business, and live their best life. If you're new here, welcome. Come hang out, come join the party. And if you're not new here, welcome back. I'm so thankful to have you return. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about what's a sales funnel and how to build one. Now, if you haven't already, please just take 1 minute and press that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn about sales funnels. It really helps support my channel. Now, to dive into it, what is a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is something that I think because of ClickFunnels and I don't even know what else, but somehow a funnel's become a very mysterious thing, and it's not. It's simply getting your prospect from who are you, what's your service or what's your product, all the way down to, hey, I'm ready to make a purchase. I know that this is gonna help me. So it's just that process. And whatever you're doing right now to get people to purchase from you, essentially that's your sales funnel. Now, we want an effective sales funnel because we want to not only help people entering into our world or into our funnel make that decision in the best way possible because we're guiding them along the process, but we want one where we can measure and look at, hey, they came into the funnel, but right here they fell out, and if we just could get them past this hump, then our business would be doing a lot better. So if you don't have an effective sales funnel, not only are you leaking customers, but you don't know why you're leaking them or how to improve it. So that in a gist is why it's important to have a sales funnel. Now let's dive into the fascinating part of actually building one. How do you do it? All right, so step #1 is going to be to get attention. Now, if you don't have the flow, you're not gonna have the dough. So you have to have attention, and if you're sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, I have no attention, or what's attention, is that just from social media? Well, that helps. Social media is definitely a way to get attention, but if you don't have a big following already, you can definitely run ads, or even if you do have a big following, you can get more attention from running paid ads. You can also do SEO, so you can write blog posts optimized for SEO. You can have your website optimized for SEO, so that basically when people type in Google, a common question that relates to your product or service offering, your web page pops up. So you have to have attention. And I just want to repeat this and really, make the point to say, like, you can have the perfect sales funnel, but if you don't have attention to get people into your funnel, that funnel's not going to do anything, right? So you've got to have attention, and how you get that is totally up to you, but you've got to have it. All right, so we've got their attention, and now we need to actually capture their information. So how do we do this? Well, you could have an ad that leads to a landing page where we capture their name, email, maybe their phone number. You could have a form on your website to sign up for your newsletter, or when they press exit, a pop-up says like, hey, get your free toolkit. You can capture information in so many ways, but you need something to capture their information. And now in the description box below, I've included some links on tools that you can use to help you build landing pages, help you capture information. But once we've captured their information, we can move on to the next step, and that's gonna be to nurture these people that we've captured their information. And the nurturing process is so important because just because you got their attention, you got them to provide their information to you, that doesn't mean that they're ready to actually make a purchase. They likely want to know some more information about you, your service offering, how it actually can help them. Maybe they want to learn more about your product and get some testimonials on how it's actually helped solve their problems. People need more information and they need more time. So this nurturing process, whether that's by emails, text messages, phone calls, is going to be really, really crucial in moving people from the top of your funnel where you essentially got their attention and got them to give you their information, bringing them down to making a decision and actually purchasing from you. So don't forget the nurturing phase. And now the final phase is really, really important, and it's often forgotten. It's going to be to stay in touch. Now, you want to stay in touch with people who you got on the phone with and they said, hey, not right now, maybe later. You want to stay in touch with people who opened up your emails and never got back to you. Now, I'm not against email list cleaning. You should be cleaning your email list, but for a while, you need to nurture these people, and it's not just nurturing in the sense of, hey, I sent them my 7 email series. It's you need to re-engage them, pull them back in 90 days, and then stay in touch with your current customers and your past customers. They can be great referral sources. They can leave you great reviews, leave you these testimonials that you need that's going to keep fueling everything forward. So stay in touch with people. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to ask you one thing. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to leave a comment. Can you just please share it with someone who you think would find it helpful to know exactly what a sales funnel is and how to build it? I'd really, really appreciate it. And if you have suggestions on what type of content you'd like to see, from sales funnels to inbound marketing to outbound marketing to whatever marketing questions you have, comment them down below, and not only will I answer you, but I'm happy to make a video on how to actually do whatever you have questions about. Until next time, everyone,